Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D Worldwide. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want to keep too much time today. We'll just go straight into the matter when Funky D get for now today. And this matter regarding AKA Jubri again, Osebanjo, Aisha Buhari, all of them. We're going to narrate the matter right now. We'll go inside the matter immediately. We'll not get too much time. Buhari's government, AKA Jubri, their names, people when we see them, they under Buhari's or when they Buhari's cabinet or Buhari's cabinet members, including the Buhari, all of them, both the governors and the ministers and the senators, all of them, Funky D say, on our names, all of our names don't enter black book. Black, the darkest book. You get? Una fail Nigerian people scatter. Una don't fail Nigeria, so the Nigerian people, they don't know what to do again. But I bet you, we know what to do right now with Una, because we don't tire to the day with Una. Una no say, now, Buhari people, that is the Jubri people, then they leak sugar. Why the PDP and the other political parties when contest with Buhari, all of them, now bitter leave, then they leak. Sure you get it. But now the sugar, when we see Buhari and his cabinet members that they leak, very soon we will take that sugar, come off from their hand. You get? Yesterday and on Friday last week and all that. This woman, when they call Aisha Buhari, that woman, when they Nigeria, I be like say they take that woman word for granted. That woman, everything when that woman stand for, we see in the be they try to, make Una stand up because herself don't tire for the whole matter. Okay, make I start with the things when I observe from this woman. And I believe say people when know waiting day, then they must to understand the whole situation. Okay? Now, Aisha Buhari they come out because Una know say a husband not day again. In they tell Nigerian people, see men, this is what is going on. My husband not day again. Make Una stand up. The woman don't come out before the election. The woman don't they come out again. They tell Una. They reveal things the way when it's supposed to be. Okay. Una don't see in the world when all of us they live today, when we die alive, where a president's wife they come out. They speak the way when Aisha Buhari they speak. Una don't see a president wife when come out when they criticize her husband, say waiting her husband they do not good. Funky D never see him. Then if you don't see him before, may you just write them down on my comment section. May we see that first lady when don't criticize her husband. In this world where we did, Aisha Buhari they come out, they tell on a say man. Buhari and his government say they don't fail. They don't fail woefully. They don't fail Nigerians. They don't fail Kano people. They don't fail Kaduna people. They don't fail Adamawa people. They don't fail Igbo people. They don't fail Yoruba people. They don't fail the whole Nigerian people. Now the thing when Aisha Buhari, they tell her. And also they let her know say the man when they there not being husband. How many times this woman go talk this thing before we go understand and take action based on this revelation? How many times who will be the person that will go come out now and will come tell us before we believe? None they cannot don't talk am. Aisha Buhari they follow up. They still they talk and say men make una see waiting they happen in the country. my husband not dey again. Now 2 people or 3 people. Now then hijack the power. How many times this woman will come? Or how now want make the woman come tell her say the man when they there not be husband? Nigerian people when we carry different names and different chieftain titles and different what thing that they call this one when they always they attribute to on self different degrees. I say woman they come they tell on say the person when they there not be in husband make una stand up. And now they cannot don't tell on that. I don't know they do like say the thing when they talk na joke. Not be joke. Not be joke. Now this woman don't come out. Come they talk the matter when consign the 500 billion. When they say they give this 500 billion to the less privileged. But the only thing when she see be saying that only one local government na them receive some whether na gift or whether na some money from Kidi no na only one local government they share some small money give, but her own state when be Adamawa state people they not get anything. She say she not receive any money. Then say this money then bring and come out when they won't give 22 local governments in northern part of the country. But anyway, una they bring out 500 billion Buhari's government for only northern people. Waiting una give the southerners. Waiting una give the easterners. We na only una place then get the displaced people from Kidi. Why come be saying that only northern part of the country una give this 500 billion? Where are other states or other regions where their own share? Now, Aisha Buhari they cry. Say this morning, una know say some few weeks ago, now they don't catch Emefiele when be the CBN governor with 500 billion naira when they don't thief come out from our treasury. Now again, this one another 500 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, not be small money. This is $500 billion they talk about. Aisha Buhari they ask and say where the money. Who not give the money? Which people chop the money? Where the money they? The money not reach them. Say because he won't carry their own so that he go give to him people. She not they see anything. Now there the woman come they talk say Buhari's government they don't fail too much. Too much. They don't fail. They never do anything for nobody. So for a woman again to come out to speak like this against her husband regime or against her husband presidency or against her husband, that one not dey enough to open Nigerian people eyes. See this thing, it don't get out of hand. This thing when Aisha Buhari they talk or Madam Aisha Buhari they talk, say not true, say husband not dey, this one never reach una to learn. I wonder where that una degrees when they carry, they jump up and down, they take, they deceive people from Kidi saying wonder where the degrees there. All those professors, all those barristers, all those lawyers, all those judges, when they claim, say then go school in Atlanta, then go school in America, then go school in New York, we go school in London, where una hide the certificates. Waiting make una go school when we say people when not even enter primary school. Na them be una president and una governors and una ministers. People when not feel make sentences. Na them be una president, una governors, una ministers. And this woman, they come out, they tell una say, see waiting they happen. All of una keep quiet. Nnamdi Kanu don't talk am. All of una keep quiet. APC people that they talk say na PDP say who una they lie. PDP not say anything. The people when they give out the revelation na Nnamdi Kanu we know already. So make una not come and come the deceive us say APC PDP say this, PDP say this against Buhari, PDP say that against Buhari. Ladies and gentlemen, where are Nigerian men? Where are Nigerian women? Where are Nigerian youths? Where are the people living in that country? Where are the traditional rulers? Where are the pastors? Where are the bishops in that country? Una say, una too much. Somebody, they come out. A whole president's wife, they come out, they tell una say, the government of him husband, not be husband, they there. They don't go BBC, go different places, talk and say, not be the man, they there. Una not they hear word. Now, the issue of 500 million don't come out again now. Now, Aisha Buhari can still talk am again. Say, Buhari don't fail Nigerian people. Tell me now, how you go to say, nah, Buhari did there. Buhari did there, Aisha not did there. Or Aisha did there, Buhari not did there. They know they did together. They know they see them together. Okay, look at the issue of that woman, that Amina Zakari. When I don't, this is, ladies and gentlemen, that's why they tell them, I say, all these ones, all these videos now continuation of waiting we don't do before. Okay, that woman, Amina Zakari from Sudan, they don't catch him. We don't see Amina Zakari up to today. We don't see anything that comes out from the case. The DSS, when they chance say, now then they take care of the country. We not see DSS, when they tell us how the matter go. We don't already hear say they don't release that woman. That woman don't go back long time to Sudan. Again, Aisha Buhari can come and come they talk about another thing when Buhari's government don't do again with 16 billion. Not be millions, so ladies and gentlemen, $16 billion. This one are billions of dollars, not be naira. When they say they allocate, when they want to take by mosquito net. Mosquito net, 16 billion, ladies and gentlemen. We are talking about 16 fucking billion dollars. We know they talk about billion naira, $billion when they take buy mosquito net. Who then they buy mosquito net with $15 billion? Where did they with $16 billion? Where did they see that one? Ladies and gentlemen, this evil APC government, we got to stand up against these evil politicians when they done Nigeria. Funky D say we got to stand up. Because if we don't stand up, ladies and gentlemen, we they do ourselves. We they do ourselves. South African people, they don't do them. They don't do them now. South Africa, they, you know, more or less, more better than it was before. Now, different countries, they don't do this thing. All this one, what would they do? When we say we want free ourselves, we want liberate ourselves, we want do this with the APC government. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing not be something when they want to take gentleman do. The gentleman issue in this matter, it no go work. The gentleman issue regarding this matter, when people they do like say them be sent, whereas they not be sent. In fact, where somebody like Osebanjo na pastor, they come they do all these evil things with Fulani cabas. Then you go no say, we self, we no go use gentleman matter, do this thing. Osebanjo don't follow deceive. Osebanjo don't follow kill. Because all these things when they happen to southeast and south people, Osebanjo not the nyan. Herdsmen they kill Igbo people. Osebanjo not the nyan. The only thing when we hear last time, and we know say na fake, and we know say na lie, they say Osebanjo go Imo State, go commission statues. This 16 billion, ladies and gentlemen, you know, rich build one hospital in at least big hospital in Abuja. Or you know, rich build better hospital in Lagos or in Igbo land. I be know this 16 billion, that bridge when they lie to us every day, when they call that Niger bridge, when they don't they take out all of them from Obasanjo reach Jubri. They don't do that Niger bridge. They don't use Niger bridge. Scam Nigerian people. Scam us rich grand. This 16 billion never need to do the Niger bridge. Whether they use, they buy mosquito net. I be this 500 billion. Whether they share them by themselves. And we there, they do gentleman. Funky this say gentleman matter. We no go solve any problem with APC government. I don't check and left and right, back and front, bomber to bomber. I can't see say man, gentleman matter. make we just leave gentleman aside. That's why I say somebody like Osibanjo, when people think say na gentleman, when they call himself pastor, redeemed pastor, you don't follow Jubri, aka Buhari, hide. Do bad things from certificate to say Jubri na from Sudan. Osibanjo hand they inside. Then we when not be pastors, or we when be say some people not be Christians, why you go think say that kind of man go they do you that this kind evil thing? Then you think about doing it with gentility. No way. So time to the act like gentleman in this same matter. When we know they see water drink in that country where they call Nigeria, we know they see electricity, we know they see light beep in that country. I say gentleman matter. Don't no go solve any problem. Electricity, when we say you no go use, you go pay. If you not pay, then go cut them off. Then you go back, use like 4,000, 5,000. They go reconnect the same thing again. And at the end, you no go still get that electricity. If you get electricity today, you get another one in like 7 months time. And they know they last 2 hours. And would they look Buhari, would they look Jubri, would they look Osibanjo, would they look all these Abba carry them? As you see them, they all have bunkers in their home where they load trillions of dollars put. Not be that they put them for bank now because they no say bank now, no problem. All of them get bunkers where they load their trillions, where they thief from our coffer. And you did there, they talk about being gentleman. Make we wait, God go do them. God go do them, God go do them. You go wait, God go do until 100 years. Because the Bible don't talk and say, heaven help those who help themselves. It is high time for us to begin help ourselves. Since the politicians or the political class, when they that country, since they don't want to help us, now we go help ourselves. Since they don't want to listen, we go help ourselves by organizing a serious revolution to sweep these people, sweep them completely. I say Funky D say, sweep these people. Enter inside toilets from their master, Nwembi Jubri, the imported president from Sudan. Funky D say, una no na waiting na the cannot they talk say na true because see Aisha Buhari every time the woman they come out. Every time the woman they confirm and say, my husband not there, look at what is going on. Now, Aisha Buhari never finish. This fake channel television, now fake channel television, when they deceive this our country, since how many years they come, they work hand in hand with politicians, they carry Ghana must go, they carry brown envelope, day in and day out. Before you know, they don't bring a woman from nowhere when go debunk Aisha Buhari, say, what Aisha Buhari, they talk, say, Aisha Buhari not look into the matter. How you go say a whole wife of a president not look inside the matter? It's an insult to that woman. I mean, it's an insult to Aisha Buhari for that woman to come out. The talks Aisha Buhari not know waiting day. Because channel television don't tell them what to say. Channel television don't tell that woman what thing she go talk about the Aisha Buhari coming out to speak against Buhari's government, against her own husband. According to Ona, you don't see woman, a whole first lady, they come, they tell their country or her country, say her husband's regime na failure. You don't see her. So this one, now go show Una when be Nigerian people. Example, if you not believe before, those who never believe, say that man one day they not be Buhari, now this one will make Una begin believe. For Aisha Buhari, they come out, not be 2 times, not be 3 times, not be many times, the woman don't come out. Come talk the matter. And Nigerian people, when say them carry degrees, then they sit down, they talk, say, it go better. It go better. Funky D say, it go better. If you begin wait, say, it go better. I don't know how long when you go wait for that better to come. And that better, when they talk, will never come. Unless you make a move. Unless you not take an action. Unless there is a revolution. Funky D. Worldwide. Yes. Tell me the country when some president wife go come out to the talk this kind of thing in public. This is to show you that the person there is Aminu Al-Sudani, the Jubri from Sudan, aka the imported master, or aka young Bobo of Nigeria. Buhari na young Bobo of Nigeria. Now the man, now they do you, now they do now with APC and PDP. Make una dey there, they sleep. Make una wake up. Stop sleeping. This time, not be time when we dey sleep. We will continue to speak until everything, when we dey beg God, make him help us, until they go come, the revolution. To sweep these wicked people, when be APC, out from government, including the PDP. Ladies and gentlemen, Funky D, they stop this segment right here. If you get anything where you want to talk regarding this matter of Aisha Buhari coming out to tell us, say, make we stand up. And Nigerian people, no wonder when Buhari tell us, say, will not be lazy youth of Nigeria. So if you got anything you want yarn, maybe the yarn Funky D day here, I go day here, the yarn my own. If you got anything to yarn, put them down on my comment section. If you never subscribed to Funky D before, make sure you begin subscribe right now. Make sure you press that button, that bell sign when they there, so that anytime when Funky D upload, you will begin get my video. One love, everybody. Make sure to share Funky D, and I thank you all for sharing Funky D's video. One love, everybody. Funky D 1. Thank you.